Hi, everybody. It's Rhonda again. I'm going to try this again. Hopefully, you guys can hear me. If you can hear me, can you please let me know? Because I don't know why I just tried to go live a minute ago and my audio wasn't working. So, can you please let me know in the comments if you can hear me or not? I'm going to check my page right now and make sure this is live and make sure everybody can hear me this time. Hi, Jennifer. Can you hear me? If you're watching, can you tell me if you can hear my audio, Jennifer? I really appreciate it. Yes. I don't know what happened, but I went live a minute ago, and for some reason the audio wasn't working. So I hopefully fixed that. I'm glad you can hear me. Hey, David, thanks for jumping on. Thanks, Ronnie. I appreciate it. So I'm going to tell a quick little story about why I was inspired to do this video. I'm giving away my secrets. It's just going to be a fun little video because I get asked all the time, like what apps I use for different things online. So I thought I would share some of my favorite apps with you guys today that are really simple, easy to use, and most of them are free, right? So that's a good thing also. So yesterday I want to tell you this little story first. So I was doing a coaching call with this lovely lady. Her name is Ibuken. So if you guys know her, give her a shout out. And if you're on here live, say hi. And hey, Ryan, thanks for saying that. I appreciate it. And if you're joining me later on the replay, also say replay, say hi, just so I can come back and thank you for watching. And I hope you get a lot of value out of this. So I was doing a coaching call with Ibuken yesterday, and it was really neat. I was going over some new things with her, and I went to her page. I was just checking out some of her content, and I was like, wow. I'm like, your graphics look amazing. Like, I love your pictures. I love what you're doing. And I was going over a few things with her, and she literally made my day because she's like, oh, can I tell you something? And I was like, yeah, of course. But, what do you want to tell me? And she's like, I just want to tell you that the reason I started doing my own graphics and posts was because I was inspired by you. And I was just like, what? Like, it took me back, and I was just like so surprised, and just something little like that like really made my day. And she was like, yeah, she goes, I was watching your posts. She goes, and some of your, even when you put quotes out, you're always using these pretty things, and they always look bright and different than everybody else's. She goes, so it inspired me to start making my own. So anyways, it's just a sweet little story about what inspired me to make this video. And it goes a long way online when you give somebody not even that it's a compliment, right? But just saying something nice to other people online. So if you can say something, if somebody inspires you or you love what they're doing, send them a cute little note, in Messenger or on their posts. I guarantee you they will appreciate it because it literally made my day yesterday. Like that she had said that to me. It just felt great. So once again, thank you. I really appreciated that you said that yesterday. I know, Jennifer, isn't that sweet? It was so sweet. Like, I just felt so good the rest of the day. It just, something little like that can just make your day, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over some of my favorite apps that I use. And a lot of these are going to be, you probably already have. So I'm going to get out of Facebook for a second. And literally, one of the apps that I use almost every day is, see if you guys can see that, my notes. So my notes app. Oops, sorry, I'm having a hard time here, and you guys probably have one, whether you are on, Apple or an Android, it doesn't matter. So what I do in my notes is I literally write down things that I want to say on my posts. So I have tons of them, right? So I write out my posts the day before, or I'll save things that maybe inspired me and write them out. This way, when I go to do a post, I already have it done. I'm not sitting there at the last minute trying to figure out what I want to write and, coming up with ideas. It's real easy and a simple way to store things when you come up with inspiration or you have a thought, right? But you're not ready to do that post. Write it up and save it in your notes, and then it's there when you want it. So that is one of my favorite apps that I literally use almost every day. Then I'm going to go to some of the apps that I use for my pictures. So one of the apps that I use probably every week at least is Canva. So Canva just looks like that, little blue C. There's a free version and there's a paid version. You can get along with the free version, fine and dandy. Anybody can use it, and I use that for a lot of my graphics. The nice thing about Canva is they have different things in here, like templates already set up for you. So when you go on here, like you can see, you can click on, do you want a story? Do you want an Instagram story? Do you want animated? Do you want an Instagram post? So you don't have to worry about what size it is. You pick wherever you plan on posting, and it automatically has the exact size that you need for your post so that you know it's going to look right and everything's going to be great. You can pick different colors. There's a ton of things you can do on there. You can get real creative, right, with your posts in there and stuff like that. They have a lot of pre-saved templates you can use and stuff like that. The other thing I like about Canva is, like I said, they have these pre-made templates. Now, I want to say maybe a year or a year and a half ago, I did purchase some templates off of another creator who had these templates that are totally customizable. So you can change the colors, change the wording, but it gives you ideas, things to say, just so your stuff looks a little bit different than other people that are using Canva. So anyways, if anybody is interested in different templates, let me know. I'm happy to share those with you. But Canva does have a lot of free templates in there automatically that you can use. So anyway, so there's that. And then I'm going to go into another one of my favorite apps. I was just checking to see if there was any questions. If you have any questions when I'm going through these, just put them in the comments. I'm going to flip back and forth to Facebook to see if there's anything, if you guys want me to answer them. So another app that I use that's a lot of fun is called Ripple. So there's Ripple, and that's like a little video app. So a lot of times when you see my posts and they're animated or stuff like that, they're on Ripple. So like that was one that I did a couple weeks ago there with my little cartoon character that I had made. So I did my Christmas one in here, and it's just a really fun app, and it makes your posts stand out and look different and stuff like that. So that's another one that I'll use sometimes also. And then another one of my favorite apps that I use almost every day practically. It's called, oops, it closed here. Hold on. It's called Pixart. So I don't know if you can see it there. It has the P in it, Picsart. And what I love about this app is it's also free. So there is a paid version, but you can totally get away with the free version. And they have some really cool things you can add on this app to your pictures. So you can add a picture to a picture. Like a lot of people will say, how did you get that picture on there? You just upload a picture, then you add another picture and you just crop it out to show what you want to do. They have like really cool, fun, like magic markers that are hearts or sparklies or stars. If you want to highlight something or circle something in your picture or things like that. There's a lot of really cool things that you can do on this app. You can retouch things. They have different effects. You can do a square fit. Like I said, they have the brushes with the different like magic marker things. You can add frames to your pictures. So a lot of stuff that you can do in Pixart. So that's another one that I use all the time that I highly recommend if you're looking for a different app to use. I'm just going to go back to Facebook really quick, see if anybody had any questions about any of these. Okay. Yeah, you'll like Ripple, Jennifer. It's really cool. It's RIPL. And then Pixart, like I said, Pixart is one of my favorites because there's different things that you can do on there that I haven't seen in other apps. So it makes your stuff really stand out. So those are a few of the apps. And now I'm going to give away one of my big secrets here, because I can tell you, working from home, and you ladies are going to love this one. Working from home, I do not wear makeup every day. I don't. I've never been a big makeup person anyway, right? So I'll tell you right now, like if you go to my story that I put up there today and my storyline, where I'm drinking from the coffee cup, and I did one a couple weeks ago like that, I did not have any makeup on and when I took that picture. Okay. And there's a lot of pictures that I put on Facebook where I had no makeup on, but looks like I had makeup on, right? So you don't even have to have a lot of makeup, right? Sometimes you just want like to look like something besides just no makeup, right? So my girlfriend told me about this app and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to share it with you. So it's called UCam Makeup. I hope you can see that. And if you go in there, so I'm going to show you guys here because you can literally go from, I'm going to show you that picture that I had with the coffee mug, and I'll show you the before and afters, and I'm going to throw myself under the bus here, right? So you go from this picture. Sorry, these are getting a glare from my blind, so that's not going to work either. Sorry for that picture, but okay, so I had no makeup on when I took that picture. Not at all, right? I went into that app, I played around, and that no makeup picture that I would never have posted anywhere because I didn't like it, turned into a picture where all I did was put a little bit of eye makeup on with that app. Just add a little bit of eyeliner, a little bit of mascara, and you can literally make posts like that. So it's the funnest app, and I don't wear a lot of makeup anyway. Like I have a more natural look, just the way I am. But they have like different things you can choose from. You can go from full blown makeup if that's how you are. You know, some people look gorgeous like that. That's just not me and my personality. So there's all different things you can pick. They have different looks you can pick, or you can do it individual like I did. Like I just wanted a little bit of eye makeup on in that picture. So you can just go to your eyes, fix your eyes up a little bit with some mascara, some eyeliner, however you want to do it. There's tons of choices in there, and it's a free app. So that's one of my favorite secrets for all the ladies out there that say, oh, I don't want to post any selfies because I don't look good. I don't have any makeup on. Now you have no excuse not to post any selfies because you could literally put your selfie into that app, put a little bit of makeup on, and now you could post it on social media and just feel a little bit more confident about what you're posting, right? So, oh, thanks, Jennifer. You're so sweet. But I know, Donna, right? I don't wear makeup at home. I did put some makeup on today because I wanted to do this live video, but I truly don't wear makeup 90% of the time now when I'm home all the time, right? So a little bit of sometimes we just need that little bit of a confidence booster, right? That it gives us to put a picture out there or something like that if we're doing selfies. So I hope you ladies loved that little tip. I thought that was a really good one. And then let me just see if there's one more that I can share with you guys really quickly. I got one that I'm going to share. So people have been asking me. So on my YouTube channel, I've started doing some tutorials on some of the apps I use and how to do different things since people were asking me. So this little app right here, it's called Record It, and it's a free app. It's a free app, right? And when you go to it, you can record your phone screen. So whatever you want to teach people, so I go into the app, and I'm just recording, and it records your voice also, so I can talk as I'm recording the video, and I can explain what I'm doing and show people how to use these different apps. So if you are looking for something like that, or if you're looking for some of these tutorial videos that I have, just go to my YouTube channel. I have a bunch of them on there, and it is Just look up Rhonda Brzozowiec. I am the only Rhonda Brzozowiec on YouTube. Trust me, nobody else has that name. That's one advantage of having a name that is different and like that nobody else has, right? So, oh, Cindy, so hold on. Let me just check. The name of the makeup app is called YouCam Makeup, YOUCAM Makeup. Okay, and that's a free app also. So, but I do have some tutorials on my YouTube channel. Like I said, I do use some templates and stuff like that that are made, but those are just a few of my favorite apps. If you want to know about any of the templates or stuff I have, if you text Rhonda to 26786, I have some links to some of the things that I do use that I have purchased if you're interested in anything like that. But everything that I've showed you today like has free versions, and most of the time you do not need to upgrade to anything else. So I just wanted to come on and share some of these things, and they're easy, right? I don't like hard. I don't like hard things. So all of these apps are very simple to use. And if it's hard, I usually delete the app because I am not a tech person, first one to admit it. So everything that I use is simple and easy to figure out for anybody. So all of those apps are very simple and easy to use. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Reach out to me in Messenger. I'm happy to help anybody. And I hope that some of these tips helped you. Hopefully you got a few tips that you didn't know about, or some apps that maybe you didn't know about. And I'm going to jump off because I didn't want to keep you guys too long today. I just wanted to do something fun and something different than I usually do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. And once again, for those of you who joined me live, thanks so much for hopping on. I truly appreciate it. It was nice chatting with you. And if you're watching this on the replay and you get some value for it, please let me know. And I will see you guys later. Hope everybody has a great Thursday. Talk to you soon.